Okay, so this is a saint. So this is going to be called the street of Saint John of Brito. São João de Brito. So that's going to be our target street right there. I wonder what that would say in Chinese. I think it's going to have a totally different name. But anyways, we're going to go down it and check it all out. And it's kind of a rainy day, which I think is going to be kind of cool for filming, and so is the lighting. So let's check out this our target street here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So yeah, I'll definitely have this one down below, so maybe let me know what the Chinese word says, if it's at all similar. I think it's going to be a totally different name. That's kind of interesting, this coffee cave right there as well. Actually, it's really interesting. Has like a little cave look. We're going to try to get across. Have to get back into my side of the street, I guess. Okay. So the end of the street's going to be right up here. But I think I'm a little bit more interested to go the other way, because the other way kind of curves a little bit. And I guess what we'll do is just come down like this and capture our cave a little bit. How do you even get in there? There's like an apartment building there, and then coffee cave is there. I guess they would open up this door right here. Okay, yeah, I guess you'd open up the door. That glass, I guess you open up the glass and then you can just walk right in. Kind of interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go down our target street. And that's gonna be, I think it's gonna continue down that way. The lighting is pretty good on this rain. That's where it starts at. Oh, down that way you can see Grand Lisboa. So there's Grand Lisboa Casino right there. You can kind of see it through the rain. And we're gonna head down this street, which I believe is the same. So yeah, I looked up the Saint João de Brito, and it looks like it's a guy, you saw the pictures of it, but it looks like it's from the 1650s, something like that, 1630s. I'm sure his life was a lot longer than that, so it's probably late 1500s to 1600s. Huh, this kind of ends suddenly. I thought this was going to keep going. Looks like it just kind of ends in this spot, so we'll see if we're still even in the same spot or not. Yeah, we are. So, okay. So I guess we still have our same sign, so let's just kind of check out some of the artwork. So there we go. Huh. Korea. There's the artwork that, and then it just ends right there. A rainy day. Kind of a short street, I guess. A little bit different than I thought. And I guess we'll just follow it. I don't know if this is still Snow White Cafe, like a bakery. So we're just gonna come all the way out to the end. There's a noodle shop right there too. So I don't know if this comes to a different street. It must, right? I mean, I don't know if this is a different street right here, or it's our same alley. Looks like we kind of meander down that way a little bit. So maybe we'll just walk out this way. Huh. Kind of interesting though. Then we're gonna come out this way. Got a car behind me, so I got to get back into the sidewalk. So I guess that was João Brito. Got a slow moving car. I'm gonna try to go to that other side of the street in a moment. Come over here. So yeah, we got a street named after a saint in Portugal. Actually, I just kind of want to capture this because this looks so cool. There's like these little things that look like this in Macau. I really like them. They're like shop houses. I think like traditionally probably this one, I'm looking at this one right here. The shop is here and they live up above, right? They got a balcony as well. But I also like the one next to it too. It's kind of an interesting shaped one. So anyways, we're a little bit off of our target street. Huh. But there are some kind of interesting stuff around here. Actually, these look really interesting too. It's a really interesting street right here. This is called Alegria, like Happy Street. This is for all the flooding. It's really raining right now too, so might have some flooding. So our target street was just down that way, just slightly. I'm kind of getting a little bit off track here, but recently I was filming some other streets, so maybe I'll just kind of show you some context of stuff. So that's our saint, and then that one was the rope street. So I think it was called what's that called? Cordoeiro. Said Rope Street. So I filmed that one, that little alley down there. And I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna come back to our Saint João de Brito Street. Just because there's all this kind of interesting stuff around here. So right over here, there's Street of the Coolies, which is like slaves. I think the Portuguese are pretty heavily involved with the slave trade back in the day, including sending Chinese people to the New World. So there's coolies right there. Sorry. And then that one is also the same street as well. And we're gonna go down this way. There's another one called Pork Street. This one right here. So that was Porqueiro. I also did another video here where I just kind of walked around these alleys all in this area. And that Porqueiro was like, my translation of it was like Street of the Pig in Chinese, and then in English it was in Portuguese it was like it's like a pig's bin or something like that. I don't know the English equivalent, but you know, we use like shepherds for sheep, cowboy for cows. So I don't know what the pig one would have been exactly, but okay. So we're gonna head back to our Brito Street, João de Brito. So we're just kind of giving a little context to everything. And our Brito was just to the left. And yeah, he was a saint of the 1700s. And we got a rainy day. We got all this kind of sandbag stuff. And we're gonna go across the street. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down our Saint João de Brito because it was so short that I didn't quite expect that. And we'll just go down the other way. Huh, that's interesting. It's like a dance class. So yeah, we kind of have this nice rainy day today. What this is? This is Cheng Chao Shoki 1955. Actually, this looks like a really cool little shop. It's like a really cool shop. So that's also right in this area too. So anyways, our target street was this one. Right there. St. João. Street of St. John of Brito. I don't know what Brito, I have to look that up. Maybe write it in the comments. I'm assuming that's St. John, São João of some small village in Portugal is what I'm assuming. But if you want to confirm it, you can, because that would be kind of cool. And that's the end of our street. So it's kind of cool. Go back a little bit. So that was our street right there. Right there. Pretty cool looking street. And we're gonna end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la